Preview. IndiaWave.com. Preview. IndiaWave.com.
Hey guys, this is Aditi. So you must have seen our I Can Dance series where I taught you very basic steps, and that was actually and specifically for the beginners. So after that, today we're releasing second episode where I'll teach you little advanced level, not so advanced though, little advanced, and I'll teach you how can you dance in different occasions or different events. So guys, lot of people came to me and messaged me कि मैम आपका जो डांस है वो आप जो सिखाते हो वो नॉर्मल डांसर्स तो कर सकते हैं लेकिन जिन्हें पैर उठाने तक नहीं आता वो डांस नहीं कर सकते. So please teach us some really basic steps that we can do in some parties, some events, some just maybe or in Barat. Though many people will find it like really weird कि मैं बारात वाला डांस सिखाऊं, but actually this is not weird for the people जिन्हें पैर चलाना तक नहीं आता. So first एपिसोड में मैंने आपको बताया था I taught you कि आप अपने पैर कैसे उठा सकते हो, आप कैसे स्टेप्स कर सकते हो. एंड इन दिस एपिसोड आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू, सपोज आपको कोई पिक कर देता है, कोई उठा देता है कि यू हैव टू डांस, तो वहाँ पे आप सिर्फ एक स्टैचू की तरह खड़े ना रहो, यू विल डांस विद देम, यू विल accompany them. So let's start how to dance, and I have categorized in 3 different forms. First is Bhangra, second one is Indian, third one is little Western. So let's start with Bhangra. So guys, first I'll teach you step by step and then after we'll do it on music. So it's going to be really quick and short and crisp tutorial, and you'll see how it goes. So first basic step that you can do in Bhangra, or I wouldn't say really Bhangra, but I would name it, it's a random dance you can do, right? So how can you do that? So first basic step. Now watch me really carefully because this is specifically for you who never danced. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What I did, I just crossed my leg and I just touched my toe. Crossed my leg, touched the floor through my toe. Simple. Now, along with that, what am I doing? I'm giving little motion to my body like this. Okay, you can do this. It is very easy. Stand in one position like this and hop. Move. Just little motion. Now this motion, why do we do this? Because in music we have to show the motion, right? Only feet cannot show this motion. Your whole body needs. Specifically when you dancing balle balle, you have to do that, right? Because you have to show the motion. So here, when I'm touching the floor through my toes, I'm giving motion to my body. And trust me, this is even hard for the people जिन्हें dance बिल्कुल नहीं आता. So I'm teaching this motion. How can you do this? You can simply shake it, right? And along with this, you can cross your leg through your toes. This is the basic step. कोई भी म्यूजिक बजता है random, some पंजाबी song, and आजकल पंजाबी songs बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में है along with the raps. So any पंजाबी songs आपको कानों में सुनने को आता है या आपको बोला जाता है कि करना है, what you need to do, you can simply just to show your presence and to accompany your partners or your people or your friends, you can simply do this. Now this is the basic step. What about hands? So this is balle balle. Now it is not necessary that you just do like this. You can also do just show your palms, and you can simply join them doing this. So what am I doing? I am moving my shoulders. I'm giving motion to my whole body, or specifically my upper part, and I'm crossing my leg Like this, I'm touching the floor through my toes. So what am I doing? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Later on, I'll show you this on music. That was the first step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, moving on to another step of Bhangra, or you can say Punjabi dance. Okay? Because I'm not a really core Bhangra dancer. I just caught these steps while watching, and as we all did, so we don't really learn specific forms, but we just catch while watching and we like it and we imply to our dance choreographies. So this was one of these steps. Now moving on to second step. Now watch carefully my feet again. What am I doing? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what exactly happening? You must have got it till now. I'm stepping in 4/4 counts and moving my shoulders up and down. Easy? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is very easy. Now, what about your hands? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, my hands going, both the hands going right to left and left to right. With that, I'm moving my shoulder up and down and step, 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 step. Here, I'm also doing one more thing that I missed. I'm bending my legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll see it on music. Now switching to third step. It is also very easy. I think if you have seen my first episode of I Can Dance, there I taught you this step. So we were doing some Western dance, random dance like this. Remember? So these are the very basic steps that you can use in Indian forms, right? So what I did, tap, 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 switching or just moving slightly. So I'm changing or shifting my position, my body position, little diagonal, and I'm tapping, I'm tapping, I'm tapping. Okay, now this you also can do in any Punjabi song. How? Make sure वैसे तो हर डांस में आपकी स्माइल बहुत ज़रूरी होती है, क्योंकि आप कुछ भी ना करो ना, अगर स्टेज पे आके खड़े हो जाओ और आप बस स्माइल कर दो ना, वही काम हो जाता है. However, if you want to give steps and moves to your dance, then you just smile and just move your shoulders up and down, especially in Punjabi songs. Okay, so what am I doing? I'm tapping and I'm moving my shoulders up and down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What am I doing? I'm just doing this. Okay, it's very easy. Moving your wrist like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy? We'll see on music. Switching to fourth step. Probably thoda difficult hoga for the beginners, but I'll try my best to teach you. So first feet, and then after body, and then hands. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What am I doing? Moving my leg. I'm standing on my one foot. And while switching, I'm taking little hop or little jump. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is very basic step you must have seen in many Bhangra Punjabi songs. So in this what I did, I just bend my knee and just moving my leg. That's it. Okay, and I'm jumping while switching one foot to another. It is easy. In case you find it difficult, what you can do, simply you can shake it. Shake your leg and switch. Easy. Once you're done with this, then you can jump to another stage. Shake, jump, shake, jump, shake, jump, shake, jump. Okay. After this, once you're done with this, now you can use your hands. So, which leg you're using, the hand of that particular hand is down, and here the other hand will be up. So right hand is up, left leg is shaking, and left hand is down. Okay, and showing your palm. So what you're doing, you also dropping your chest. If you can do it, it's really good. Else you can use your shoulder. So there is a difference. जो हम shoulder use करते हैं, जरूरी नहीं हम chest drop करें. Okay, now this is chest drop. So shoulder move, chest drop. And I taught you in first episode of I Can Dance how to drop the chest. And if you didn't watch it yet, do watch it. You will learn how to do that. So drop your chest, move your shoulder. So it will give this contraction here in whole your upper body, like in your stomach also. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to merge all these steps in one sound, and let's watch it.
Preview. IndiaWave.com. 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 Preview.
So that was the first music. Now I'll show you that how can you merge all those 4 steps in dhol or any other music. And if you don't believe, just watch this. Guys, hope you enjoyed learning those 4 steps of Bhangra that you can merge in any Punjabi song or Punjabi dance, even in dhol that I just showed you right now. So it was really easy, I guess, and if you still think it was not easy, so you can just message me and let me know how can I make my dance easy for you. So guys, those were some basic steps that you can merge in any beat, any music that you have to analyze कि Indian है, Bhangra है या फिर Western है. And hope you're liking our tutorials of I Can Dance. and you can merge all those steps wherever you want to. You can dance in any event and you can say, I can dance now. So that was Aditi. Do not forget to hit the bell icon for the notification. And aloha from Dancerside. I love you. Bye.